Here's a method or ways how to remove or fix your USB write protection. So you wanna first look on the physical lock switch. Some USB drives have a tiny physical switch on this side. So you wanna check in the USB body for a lock or unlock slider. Actually, you can see it if you wanna go through with your USB. So if it's set to lock, then you wanna slide it into unlock. So that's one of the main problems. That's why your PC or USB won't read. Next is using the Windows Diskpart tool. It works if the write protection is set by software. So you want to plug in your USB, then press Windows R, type CMD, then right click and choose Run as Administrator. Type the following commands one by one, so just pause the screen if you want. Next is to unplug and unplug the USB back in. So after that, if it still doesn't work, you want to format the USB if you can. So the another warning for this is that this deletes everything you have on your drive. So you want to right click on your USB and your file explorer, press in format, then uncheck quick format, then start. If Windows say it's write protected, try formatting with third-party tools like Ropos or HP USB disk storage format too. So if none of these three methods will work, your USB might be or may be corrupt or locked by a firmware, in which may case it may need replacement, and some branded USBs have vendor tools for unlocking. Just check the brand's official website. And that's all.